concrete silence in my life. Silence. My words are locked up. I am that scar, that society hid away in fear. Silence. My words are locked up. I am that thought. They buried alive, calling it a lie. Silence. My words are locked up. My dreams stand guarded. Silence. My words are locked up. If I scream, I'm labeled disrespectful. If I stay quiet, I'm the criminal. Silence. My words are locked up. This is not stigma. This is collective cowardice. Silence. My words are locked up. Afraid of minds that don't think the same. Silence. My words are locked up. I am not broken. I am just different. Silence. My words are locked up. And your eyes